been an absolutely incredible day. There's, this combination we have between activists, people in the arts and academics, really having a true conversation about sexual violence in our own lives, sexual violence in the lives of our friends and families, and most importantly, what we can do about it. It's been incredibly inspirational, and we hope to be able to continue this on another occasion.
I wanted it to be a joyous but truthful and very, very collaborative experience with hopefully hundreds of women and men who would come together and think, okay, we can talk about this stuff without shame. We'll go on from here and think what we've learnt today and how we can carry on bringing together communities of people to discuss, share and make change happen.